Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, sir. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a birthday gift for my sister.
That sounds nice. What kind of gift are you thinking about?
I'm not really sure. Maybe something fashionable, like a handbag or a watch.
Great choice. We have some beautiful handbags and stylish watches in this section.
Really? Can you show me some popular ones?
Sure. This handbag here is one of our best sellers. It's elegant and perfect for daily use.
It looks nice. What colors are available?
We have black, brown, pink, and cream.
I think she would like the pink one. How much is it?
It costs $45, but today we have a special discount of 20%.
That sounds good. What about watches?
Let me show you. This silver watch is very popular among young women.
Wow, it looks beautiful. Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is water resistant and comes with a 1-year warranty.
That's impressive. How much does it cost?
This one is $60 after discount.
I think the watch is a better option.
I agree. It's a very elegant gift choice.
Do you also have gift wrapping service?
Yes, we do. We offer free gift wrapping for all purchases today.
That's perfect. I'll take the watch then.
Excellent choice, sir. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Sure. Please follow me to the counter.
By the way, do you have any perfume gift sets?
Yes, we do. They are right over there near the cosmetic section.
Maybe I should check those too.
Absolutely. Many customers buy perfume sets for birthdays.
Can I see one of them?
Of course. This floral fragrance set is very popular and comes with a body mist too.
It smells amazing. How much is this set?
It's $35 with a special weekend offer.
That's actually a good price.
Yes, and it's one of our top-rated products.
I think I'll buy both the watch and the perfume set.
Wonderful. Your sister is going to love them.
I hope so. She's very picky about gifts.
Don't worry. These are both excellent choices.
Thank you for your help. You made shopping much easier.
You're very welcome. That's what I'm here for.
I'll definitely come back here next time.
We'll be happy to see you again. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, sir.